NVIDIA just dropped something insane. A personal AI supercomputer you can actually keep on your desk. It's called the DGX Spark, and it's not just another PC. This $3,999 machine packs NVIDIA's new Grace Blackwell superchip, delivering up to a petaflop of AI performance. That's a million billion operations per second, the kind of power that used to live only in massive data centers. It can run models with up to 200 billion parameters, meaning that you can train some serious AI right from your room or studio. But what's the point? This is built for developers, researchers, and even creators who want to build their own chatbots, train custom AI models, or experiment with generative tools without relying on the cloud. Big brands like Dell, Asus, Acer, and HP are all launching their own Spark versions this week. And to top it off, NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang even hand-delivered the first unit to Elon Musk himself. This could change everything. No more renting GPUs or waiting for server access. NVIDIA is basically giving you your own AI powerhouse right on your desk.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next.